Rice flour is one ancient secret that is being used by many Asian women since past many years. Today in this video, I will share 2 rice face packs that you can use to make your skin fairer. Rice face pack number 1. You will need 3 teaspoons of rice flour, a pinch of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of fresh lime juice. Mix all the ingredients in a clean bowl and your mask is ready. Apply this all over your face and leave it for 15 minutes. Rinse it off using plain water. Rice face pack number 2. You will need 1 tablespoon rice flour, 2 teaspoons of thick yogurt. Mix both ingredients in a clean bowl and your mask is ready. Apply the smooth paste all over your face and leave it for 20 minutes. Rinse it off using plain water.
If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for upcoming useful videos. Thank you for watching.